We're back again, and we just went ahead, got ourselves a, what year is it? 93 F-250. It's got a 351. It's up there right now. We're getting ready to get it loaded onto the trailer right here. We're gonna get this thing loaded. Well, Kenny and Seth are. I'm gonna videotape. It has no brakes. It just shoots out the side of the driver's side front tire.
I can tuck them in the side. Let's go up just a hair. You want to tighten up just a little bit?
They did say that this smokes. It's definitely
Push them back a little bit.
definitely smoking. It's running rich. Talked about blow by too. It's on the trailer. Get her hooked up and go. Back at Seth's house. Still loaded up on the trailer. We're gonna go unload it here shortly. But I mean, it's not bad. Guy wasn't kidding. That's a farm truck. But should make a lot of good parts left on it too. But get a video of the interior whenever we get back to the house. But not too bad.
It doesn't say, there should say gears on it. They're either 353s or 410. I don't feel stuff. I think you're missing the garage yet.
Oh, well, we bought another one tonight too. We paid $300 for the other one.
What's the matter with it?
We don't know.
You know.
Pull it to the left.
Do you know what's the matter with this one? Hell, back when we were buying trucks, $500 for this thing, what are we gonna do?
Yeah, believe it. patching it up.
Oh yeah, this would have been at the high school tomorrow. What are you talking about? Lord should have had a snowplow on it.
Still starting it the way he just started it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You don't need that, Dad.
You don't need that. He's got some kind of brake. There's a big hill back there. Oh, it stopped. That's a good thing. Oh, look at that. Wow. Aircon XLT?
Yeah, XLT.
Yeah, it's got air conditioning.
5.8 liter.
What year is it? 93?
93.
Oh, so it's pre-OBS. Or pre-OBD2.
Yeah, it's got OBD1 right here.
Yep. EEC 4. Not OBD1. EEC 4.
Yeah.
Look at the top of it. What does it say? EEC 4?
EEC test.
Yeah. Let's see. Did they... Oh yeah, so the thick film should be. Where's the TFI4 module? Right there. See the ignition module down there? Yeah. That used to mount on the side of the distributor. But they put it over there now. Way up underneath of the cruise control module.
Yeah, they suck. They never work.
Well, that might be what's sticking the throttle. Or it could be a bad cable.
The hood cable's broken. I know.
Light doesn't work either. What'd you get for this one?
500.
No, there's your money right there. I don't know if you can get 500 out of the doors, but you'll get half of it back out of that.
Cab's rotten.
You show me an OBS cab that's not rotten right there in southwestern Pennsylvania. If the guy hadn't had some big garbage sitting on the seat wouldn't be too bad.
I feel like it might come out.
It might.
Oh, it's got covered in dog hair.
There's dually adapt. There's big dually.
Oh, it's got the Taconcha. That's a good brake controller. That's the only one I use.
Oh, you know it's an OBS.
The dash is falling apart.
The fuel switch is
Missing.
yeah.
No, this is the test, Seth.
Yeah.
They break. Every one of them breaks over there.
You thought. I wish this was good, but
Yeah. Oh, this is good though.
yeah.
Owner's card. I think we need to start a 93.
It's there. Go in the front a little bit more.
That's off.
Let's grab the front and go back. Nope. That ain't gonna work.
I think your filler necks still got you, bud.
Huh?
I think your filler necks still got you.
There's not one in there, and there's not one in there.
Yeah, but I can see right there. See where the... Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo man out here in Mongo's garage, parting the truck out. Yahoo. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo man out here in the shop. We made quick work of that one. 1993 F-250, 351 automatic. That's the one they hauled home last night. It's not exactly the truck that it used to be. These young gentlemen right here all pitched in, got her done. All kinds of parts are already sold. Got the rear axle sold, got the steering column is sold, rear bumper is sold. That is just about their money back already. The engine's ready to pop out of it. All we gotta do is hook it up to the gantry crane. They wanted to try and lift it out. I talked them out of it, just like the cab. But once that engine's out of there, we'll strip whatever else we want off the frame and toss this frame on the trailer with another load of scrap, and away it goes. We have killed another one. All right, we'll talk to y'all tomorrow. See you later. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo man out here in Mongo's garage this evening. And as you can see, we are absent one 1993 F-250. The only thing left in the garage now of the 1995 F-250 is, well, a bunch of fluids on the floor and the cab. Everything else has been parted out, ripped apart. Well, not ripped apart, it was taken apart. I do have to hand it to the boys for this one. They actually did take everything apart. They didn't rip it apart. They didn't cut a whole bunch of stuff. We cut bolts and stuff like that, but as far as wiring harnesses and parts that, you know, we could salvage and sell, none of that stuff was destroyed. So they did a really good job with that. I got on KJ's case a little bit here tonight. We've been kind of going back and forth a little bit about trying to keep the shop clean. And, well, you know, it's just one of those things that I'm going to constantly keep after him on, and he's probably going to constantly not doing it. But it's one thing that we're trying to make better. So right now, like I said, the only thing left in here is the cab. The dash is just about out of it. Once the dash gets out of it, we'll go ahead and pull the rest of the stuff, and all of the parts will end up on eBay. Dash bezel, front and rear tank switch. There actually is the dash itself. And then, like I said, KJ's been trying to do this nice and easy so that all the harnesses and everything can be used. That steering column has been sold, we think. There's some switches and stuff, a bunch of screws.
But just about got the dash out of that. I've not taken a dash out of these OBSs yet, so I'm not real sure how hard or how easy that actually is. But we will see shortly. All right, so that's it. The old Mongo Man is going to head up to the house. It's pretty cold out here. Get this video finished up and edited, and you guys will have something to watch. All right? See y'all later.